Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing risk. Cut power at the switch or breaker and confirm with a non-contact tester. Once done, position a stable ladder and put on gloves and goggles so you can handle glass safely. Make sure the fixture has cooled for 10 to 15 minutes. Hot bulbs break and spray. You also want the bulb model or size noted now, because matching base type and wattage prevents short circuits or overheating when you replace it. You next access the bulb housing, unscrew or unclip the lens or trim carefully and set it aside on a soft surface. Once exposed, support the bulb with one hand and use the correct motion. Twist counterclockwise for screw bases or pull straight for pin bases, because forcing it will break the glass or damage the socket. After removal, inspect the socket and contacts for corrosion or blackening. This explains flickering or failure. You install the new bulb by aligning the base and seating it until snug. Do not over-tighten incandescent or halogen bulbs because stress can crack sockets. Once the bulb is in, replace the trim or lens and then restore power at the breaker. Turn the light on to confirm operation. If it does not light, make sure the breaker didn't trip. Try a known good bulb to rule out the lamp, and inspect wiring connections. Loose or charred wires indicate a fixture repair or electrician is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.